Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how to fix paid subscription is not activated in your ChatGPT. So I will show you the two easiest way to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, we just need to log out of account of the ChatGPT. For this you have to just click on the logout option at the very bottom left. Once you're done, you have to just move to the next step. In the next step, you just need to click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on the settings. And yes, here in the settings you have to just click on the privacy and security in the left menu and then click on the clear browsing data. And here in the basic tab you have to just select the time range for all time and then select for these all options and then click on the clear data. So yes, after completing this process you have to just scroll down in the left menu and then click on the about Chrome option and then let it checking for the update. If any update is available, it will automatically update your browser. Once you're done, you have to just again open your ChatGPT and now log into your ChatGPT account again. So here you have to just put your email address and then continue, and then here you have to just put your password and then again continue, and you will be back to your ChatGPT. Note one thing, that you must check your payment method and verify your subscription status. Once you done, your problem will be fixed. So now moving to our second method, you have to just click on the upgrade to plus option here and now click on the I need help with the billing issue. Basically you have to just contact to the support team of the ChatGPT and they will help you to solve your error. Here click on why is my plus subscription not appearing, and now you have to just click on the message icon at the very bottom right, and then here you have to just click on the message and then click on the send a message, and then you have to just make a live chat with the support team of the ChatGPT and you have to just share your error with them and they will assist you to solve your error. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.